Hey traders, welcome to Profit Logic Global. Today, we're going to answer a question every beginner asks. How many trades should I take per day? Sounds simple, right? But the answer might surprise you. If you're new to trading, you've probably thought, if I don't make 10 trades today, I'll miss opportunities. I need to hit my daily profit target no matter what. Well, that mindset is exactly what leads most beginners to lose money. Section 1. Why beginners overtrade. Many new traders think more trades equals more profit. Here's what usually happens. You see a setup, but your mind says, maybe the next one is better. You take trade after trade in a single day. Stress builds. Decisions get rushed. Result? Poor entries, poor exits, and unnecessary losses. Remember, trading is not about quantity, it's about quality. Section 2. The reality of daily trading. Professional traders don't wake up and say, I must make $500 today. Instead, they say, I will trade only if the setup is perfect. If nothing looks good, I won't trade. Beginners often think, I have to trade something today. That's a dangerous mindset. The market doesn't care about your feelings or your daily target. Section 3. Safe number of trades for beginners. So, what's safe for beginners? 1 to 2 trades per day maximum. Focus on quality setups, stick to your trading plan. Even one well-planned trade is better than 10 rushed trades. Quality greater than quantity, always. Section 4. Avoiding daily profit targets. Beginners often set daily profit goals like $100, $200, $500. Here's the problem. If you hit your target early, you might take extra trades out of greed. If you're behind, you might take revenge trades to catch up. Both ways, your emotions take over. Instead, focus on process targets. Follow your strategy. Take trades according to your plan. Respect your stop loss. Profit will come naturally if your process is correct. Section 5. Lessons from professional traders. Professional traders plan their trades. Wait patiently for opportunities. Don't chase the market. Sometimes they take no trades at all. Remember, no trade is also a trade. Key takeaways. Beginners should never overtrade. Maximum 1 to 2 trades per day is ideal. Focus on quality setups, not quantity. Avoid daily profit targets. Focus on your process. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to these principles and you'll not only protect your capital, but also develop the mindset of a professional trader. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to Profit Logic Global for more beginner-friendly trading tips and strategies. Next video, we'll cover how to set realistic daily profit goals without risking your account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.